Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta speakers. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool to safely pry off panels without causing damage. Additionally, have T20 and T25 Torx drivers ready for the various screws you'll encounter. Of course, ensure you have your new 6.5-inch speakers and any required adapter plates on hand. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the door panel. Start by prying off the small trim cover behind the door handle, then remove the T20 Torx screw. Next, gently pry out the interior door handle assembly and disconnect its cable and any electrical connectors. Use your trim removal tool to release the 8 plastic clips around the panel's perimeter. Finally, locate and remove any additional T20 and T25 Torx screws securing the panel. With the door panel off, we can now access the speaker. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old speaker. Then, remove the 3 or 4 Torx bolts, typically T15 or T25, that secure it. Carefully take out the old speaker. Now, prepare your new 6.5-inch speaker. If using an adapter plate, mount the speaker to it. Connect the new speaker's wiring, ensuring proper polarity, and then secure it into the door using the original Torx bolts. It's time to reassemble your door. First, reconnect all electrical harnesses for your window switch and mirror controls. Carefully align the door panel clips with their holes and firmly push the panel back into place until all clips engage. Reinstall all T20 and T25 Torx screws, then replace the trim covers. Finally, test your newly installed speakers and all door functions, including windows and locks, to confirm everything operates perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.